Prime Minister Imran Khan has got his Banigala residence regularized that was constructed without CDA approval. The authority stated that Imran Khan's house was located in Zone 4, where construction is permissible, but due to absence of a mechanism, unauthorized constructions were carried out. It has officially been confirmed that after charging rupees 1.2 million fee, CDA had regularized the house. Imran Khan owns over 150,000 square meters of land in Banigala, and his residence was regularized as a farmhouse on which construction is permitted on 20% of the terrain. Cynics pointing towards bulldozing of poor citizens' houses built near storm drains claim that in order to get the buildings regularized, federal government approved new regulations. It has also been insinuated that Banigala houses were regularized, so completing the review of Islamabad's master plan. It was clandestinely approved under the amended Building Regulation 2020 on 5th day of March.